Hey my dear friends on the YouTube, have you noticed that water tanks on the circuit board? Yes, I'm talking about capacitors. So what exactly are they? A capacitor is an electrical component that has two terminals and it's capable of storing energy. This is the standard symbol of a capacitor. They are usually measured in farad, that's ranging from picofarads to kilofarads. At the each end of a capacitor is a two metal plates, which is separated by an insulating dielectric material, which makes the capacitor a unique component. So these metal plates are placed parallelly and as close as possible, and in between them is the dielectric material that makes sure that they don't touch each other. There are several types of capacitor. The most common one is the ceramic capacitor and the electrolytic capacitor. Commonly, a capacitor is used to smooth out a waveform or rectify a signal, and there are much more applications based on it. So how does a capacitor work? So here's how it does. When an electric current flows through the capacitor, inside the capacitor a negative charge is developed, due to which the plates are attracted towards each other. But due to the dielectric medium that's present between them, they are prevented from a direct contact, and also the like charges in the capacitor is pushed away, thus forming a positive charge on the other side of the plate. And now the capacitor is said to be charged. Well, if you want to discharge it, just short the external terminals and then the capacitor is said to be discharged. A capacitor can temporarily store charges and should not be used as a battery replacement. To understand this, we have a simple circuit to make it simple and more clear. In this circuit, we have a capacitor, a battery, a switch, a LED as an output indicator, and a resistor. A switch will toggle between charging the capacitor and discharging it through the LED. So when the switch is towards the capacitor, the electrons rush inside the capacitor, making it electron rich, and thus extreme rippling will take place inside the capacitor, and due to which a positive charge is developed, and thus making it a charged capacitor, and this process is known as charging cycle of a capacitor. Now the energy will never be there forever. It slowly discharges itself to balance the charges present inside the capacitor, and thus releasing its potential. This release of electrons in the capacitor is termed as discharge cycle, and if you toggle the switch back to its original state, you will see that the LED starts to glow, but soon after it immediately fades off. This happens because no more charge is present inside the capacitor. This way you have an emergency torch ready to help you when you need it. It does save some energy of your battery though, so give it a try. And that's it for today, and do like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for more free contents like this. Thank you and stay electrified.